How CUFinder directly harmonize your success. In this video, we will describe in short about this. CUFinder serves as a business symphony by harmonizing key elements for success. It provides a robust directory of verified business contacts, empowering companies to connect with potential clients, partners, and industry leaders. This streamlined access to accurate, up-to-date data helps organizations expand their networks, enhancing marketing strategies and drive growth, all while saving time and resources. By offering tailored insights and contact details, CUFinder transfers networking into a strategic advantage with precision and ease. This is why CUFinder directory harmonizes your success. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.